Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
So, like I said, I'll do this job for them because I like working with them. I see some questions coming in. Hey, Drea, what's up? What's up? What's going on? What is going on? What is going on with you today? So yeah, so I'm big on teaching you all how to actually grow your business from the inside, not just the flash. That's why I always say my stuff ain't sexy. My stuff is facts. It's not always the cutest thing in the room, but it gets your money for you. Okay, it have you tight as a notary, tight and right. All right, so Drea saying, "What's up, Lisa?" So what you doing today, Drea? What's going on with you? Maria says, "Do you do Ron Notary outside of the signing platform?" Hey, Mariah. Well, I actually don't do Ron at all because my state doesn't allow it. Yep. It does not allow for Ron. I am in the state of Georgia and it's not legal here. Yep. So we cannot do Ron Notary. I do have a Ron course though for those who are getting started. It's some good information, but as far as actually doing Ron, yeah, we don't do Ron. For you, I would recommend Side Hustle Seattle. If you want to check her out and find out. Are you doing Ron already, Mariah? Let me know if you're already doing Ron. I'm just curious. Let me know, are you doing Ron? And is that the only thing you're going to be focusing on? I'm just curious. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. What else we got? No, not yet. Okay. So I'm going to highly recommend. Are you doing any notary work right now, Maria? Let me know. Are you doing any notary work? Maria, I'm still working on getting the things. Yeah, before you even focus on Ron, you're not going to like my answer, hon. But you need to focus on being a great notary. Okay? You said still working on getting your things. Yes, you are doing. Look like yes, you're doing some notarizations. Yeah, I'm gonna highly recommend that you focus on being a great notary first, and then you can focus on adding these additional services like remote online notary. Because if you don't know how to do your basic notarizations, you're not going to know how to handle Ron. That's a whole nother beast. Ron is more technical. You got to know technical, plus you have to be able to know your notary duties, okay? So that's what I'm going to recommend for you. Make sure first you know how to do your basic notarizations. Let me talk about mentorship right quick. The mentor program, it is called Build Your Notary Business Success. What is it called, y'all? I'm typing and talking, and I know I got to get out of here. Notary Business Success. I'm sorry. Notary Business Success. It's all inclusive. It is $47 per month. You get access to all of our training courses, which is 15 actual live trainings, plus all the replays that we have did, which do a deeper dive into different topics. It is all inclusive. You also have live weekly workshops, plus a live chat that is open from, we'll say 9 a.m. to 11. Because I know we got people on the West Coast. So do I like working until 11? No, but I'm aware that people are not only working in different time zones, but people are working. They're working their regular 9 to 5 and trying to grow their business. So that's why we stay open later. for you to be able to ask your questions and stuff. Most chats aren't open that late, you know. So we've wrestled with the time, to be honest with you, fully transparent. But I'm just a firm believer in, you know what, I know people have lives and you guys are trying to grow your business. So I have to try to help you. And if that means I have to answer that chat till 11 o'clock, that's what it means. You know, I typically shut it down around 11. There have been a couple of times when I had to shut it down earlier because I just have other stuff going on. And one day I had to go to the hospital with a friend of mine. And yeah, I was exhausted that day. So I'm like, hey, I'm out of here. Y'all can talk about whatever y'all want to talk about. But I got to go. I have to go to bed and get ready for the next day. So anyway, yeah, so check out mentorship, notaryeducatorsllc.com, and it is going to change your life. It really is. What questions can I answer for you? I have 5 minutes literally, and then I have to go because I really was supposed to be on here a few minutes earlier. So witnesses for notarizations, every notary should know things you must know. Okay, that's better. Got to get a thumbnail for YouTube. Okay, witnesses for notarizations, things you must know. There we go. Let's do like this. All right, what we got? So where do you think I should begin as a rookie? Hey, Rolly or Raleigh, what's up with you? Yeah, I think you should start with your state. As far as I'm concerned, I would get my book that I wrote for your state. I have one for all 50 states. So wherever you are, get to start your notary business book. I want you to know the foundation of being a notary, what it's all about. You can watch some of my YouTube channel, but it's quicker if you just read the book. It's an ebook or the paperback, whatever state you're in. That's where I would highly recommend that you start. In addition to that, then let's get your commission. Okay, the book is going to tell you what to do. I already got one, read it twice. Perfect. Then you should know what to do. Have your commission. Now you need to come on over and learn the business. That's it. If you've already read the book and you're ready to roll, you know you're ready to rock and roll with the business part of it, you know this is what you want to do. Now you need to invest in yourself and join my mentor program. Yep, that's it. It's only $47 per month. It will never be any cheaper than that. I don't think it will anyway. Yeah, and I say that because you get access to Notarize Like a Pro. Now you need to learn how to properly notarize, how to build your business, EIN, LLC, what supplies, insurance, estate packages, trust packages, apostilles, remote online notary. I got you covered A to Z, literally A to Z. And I'm going to have to get out of here, guys. Again, I got to go. So anyway, yeah, I hope that helps. All things notary, though, check out notaryeducatorsllc.com. Again, on behalf of Notary Educators with Kimmi, my new YouTube channel name. Let's see. Let's get Raleigh right quick. I do have my commission. Thanks, Kimmi. I'll definitely check out the course. Studying for signing agent as well. Have a good one. Yes, Rolly. So check out the mentor program, and it also includes our loan signing agent course, okay? It also includes that, too. That will prepare you for the NNA test. All right, so until next time, people, I must run. Peace. Bye. Much success.